So today our topic is the keywords and identifiers in Java. So first we will discuss what is the identifier. So what is identifier? Identifier means when you want to give some name in your variable name, class name, method name, when you want to give some name to this, or when you create your object, it has some unique name. So like this, maybe integer x, comma y, these all are the variable. So when you want to give some name within the variable name, class and method and object, these are these are known as the identifier. Clear? So when you set your identifier, you have to maintain some rules. What is the rule? That first rule is there, that one, it should be a unique name, and this one, you should use that variable, you should use the characters. That one is a to z, capital A to Z, or 0 to 9, and only two symbol you can use. One is the dollar and second one is the underscore. So what is this? Maybe your identifier is like this, AB1. This one is a valid identifier. If you want to create one identifier, A$B, this one is also valid. If you want to create A underscore B1, this one is also a valid identifier. If you want to create AB underscore, this one is also valid identifier. But if you want to use 1AB, this one is not valid identifier. You can't start your identifier with the numeric value. This one is not possible. You should start with your characters, A to Z, or capital A to Z, or 0 to 9, or any special symbol also. You can start your variable name, this one is also possible, but you can't start any variable name with the help of the numeric value. This one all are not possible. Clear? So now the second rule is that you can't use any reserved keyword. You can't use any reserved word when you declare your identifier. So what is the reserved word? Reserved word is known as the keyword. Clear? So in Java we have total 68 numbers reserved word, which one you can't use when you create your identifier. This reserved word is known as the keyword. So what are these all 68 reserved keyword? So now you see here we have some keywords are there, which one you can't use as a identifier. That one is a abstract, continue, for, protected, try, do, if, and any primitive data type. That one is boolean, int, long, byte. This all you can't use as a identifier. Clear? So now within this program you see how many identifiers we have here. You see this one is the class test. This one is the first identifier. That is the name of the class is the test. Now here you see public static void main. So main is the method name. This one is also a identifier. Clear? Now string args. This one is also one more identifier. Clear? That one is a args is a string type. Now this one you see int. I want to declare one variable, int string, capital S string, which one is your class name, reserved class name. This one is also a valid identifier. Int long, this one is also a valid, one more identifier within this my program. Now system.out.println, you print your string and you can print the long. So for this the output will be 10 and here the output will be 20. Now if you want to declare one variable, that one is maybe integer byte. This one is not the valid identifier. It will give the error. But if you want to declare your variable name, that one is the integer byte. That one is the valid identifier. This one is not the reserved keyword. This one is a valid identifier. Clear? So any reserved word is known as the keyword, and the name of the variable, class name, which one is the unique, that one is known as the identifier. Okay. Thank you.